Hey people, so we are at this place called Cream Center, and if you were to take a look at the kind of food, it is like Ayush, this is Amritsari chaat, and that's my child. Yeah, so let's probably start with the dahi balla. Yeah, this one, but it's okay now, we can eat it now. So, that is a bhatura. Oh my god, yeah, sure. I'll put it here, I think.
Shrek, what did I do wrong?
Finished bhatura. Yeah, so sweet.
What happened to my voice?
Yeah, Ayush, you can puncture it if you want. Or let it be. Yeah, that's. Thank you. Bus. Thank you.
I'm going to kill Shrek.
Yeah. Ooh, this looks good.
Look, it's the...
Yeah. Yes. Bus.
Did you